how far you've come. When it's late at night, when you're all alone, I'll lift you up, I could be your helium. Your helium.
I was at a point where I just needed to reinvent myself, which I'd done before a few times in life, in my 20s, which is sort of like, I feel like the time in which you're supposed to toy around with wild ideas. I was comfortable like figuring out like a new path, and I knew it was going to be about video. I read Gary Vaynerchuk's latest book in like January or something like that, and it sort of propelled me to do something. And then I think shortly after, within a day or two reading the book, and then I saw your Instagram post, and it was like, you need to do video. It was just like, it was basically like screaming at me to do video. I look at the world from a photographer, a producer's eye, like all the time. Like everything I look at, if you have to rewire your brain and tell yourself, even if you don't think you are, that, you know, I'm a chef, I'm a photographer, I'm a video producer, I'm a director. There's just one other thing that you're gonna need to know, and that's how to make it all into a sandwich the next day. It's funny, when I was a kid, the first job I remember telling people I wanted to do was be a director. I loved Steven Spielberg. So what happens is when you channel yourself into all that thinking, like you find everything comes full circle. Like when you discover yourself, everything makes sense from your childhood. You know what I mean? Like that makes sense now based off what I do. The only way to do it the way that I want is to just go crazy, to just like kill people with content, to work on it all the time, to be full-time on it, even if I'm footing the bill. But that's like a sacrifice, right? Some people could think what they want about that, like 32-year-old guy lives at home, runs a cooking show. Like I can probably find a million reasons to judge that scenario. You can judge me all you want, but like I have a plan, I have a master plan, and it's sort of working out exactly as I planned. If I don't know if I'll see you on Thursday. If I don't see you on Thursday, have a fantastic, happy Thanksgiving. You can see I've reduced the stock and the gravy sort of around Thanksgiving.
Aww, you're a good one. Do you feel like you got anything?
You're feeling low, yeah, don't forget it's darkest before the dawn. Just like a bass needs a drum, I'll lift you up, I could be your helium.